Buckle up. Buttercup. How about that then? Finally, it happened to me. There is no colour like it, is there? And this is what I can see in the hole. Oh God! Is that a Bronze Age spear? Oh my God! I'm shaking! Lancashire. Lancashire, everybody. Oh, not seen one like that before. I've lost count of all the 40 now. Well, hello all history hunters. Welcome back to the channel. Daft here. Just had a couple of cans. It shows you not to kind of give up. And where did I put it down? Just had a nice find. I'll just have to find it now, won't I? Where did I put it? Found it. Let's have a look. How about that for a big complete buckle? It's curved, so that could be a shoe buckle. Well, that's a big shoe buckle, that. Looks like it's going to have quite a bit of detail and be in good condition. That could be one of my better buckle finds. Look at that. What a beauty. Right, let's give it a clean. I mean, look at that. That really is quite a work of art as a buckle. A lot of work has gone into that. I mean, look at the detail. Wonder what the age of it is. That is a beauty. I'll go on the Facebook site, see if I can't get an age off it. What a cracker. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, Detecting Daft. Just on a permission that I've not been on much, and I'm on an area that I've not been on. So we've had a few coin finds, so let's have a look. So I've had Queen Victoria, that's the old face, so probably about 1899. Penny, a bit more modern. And there's that, so could be a bit of a cog or something. I'll clean that up. But I've just had that, a nice signal. I think it's going to be silver. I think that, at a guess, I think that's going to be a bullhead sixpence. Oops. So don't want to ruin it. I think it's going to be a bullhead sixpence, so we'll just clean that and see. I think that's what's going to come through there. Bullheads are always nice. No, it's Queen Victoria. Nice one. Plenty of silver in it, 100%. 1866. Very nice. Silver's always nice. There she is. That's quite a big tap, isn't it? Brass. Holes in the side. Yeah. I've had a musket ball, and now this. I think that's a bit of a medieval plate. I could be wrong. I don't think there's any design on it. But my detector's on the blink. The top of it is snapped. I think water might have got in it. Last time I was out, it was coming back on by itself, and everything, all the memory's been wiped out. So I might be having to get myself a new detector. Not cheap. Right, see if there's anything else. So this is a good find. It's a spindle whorl. which of course is old indicator of activity. We've had that medieval pot. Let's hope for some coins. Just had that. It's very thin, so I don't expect it to be old. So, but yeah, something's obviously come up through there. Another one. 2 spindle whorls is a great sign. Fantastic. I think this is a Georgian shoe buckle. You might just be able to make out a little 4-leaf flower there in the middle of each side. How nice is that? Beautiful. Well, this is a nice field. More of this, please. Beautiful sunset. Time to go home. Oh, detector chirping away in the background. Well, hello all history hunters. Detective Daft here. Absolutely beautiful day, freezing cold, so it's going to be a tough one. Just on a field I've went on for the first time yesterday, found a couple of spindle whorls, Georgian shoe buckle, so I'm hoping for something good. So yeah, a bit of medieval pot is another sign as well, so fingers crossed we'll come up with something. Let's have a look what's on this field. I just had that out. I think it's going to be like a token. I might have had one of these before. It's a big thing. Looks like there's some detail on it. And this is an excellent sign, along with the other stuff, that this field hasn't been done. Because something big and noisy like this is still on here. Let's have a closer look at it, see what it is. What a beauty. Yeah, I have had one of these, but not in anywhere near as good a condition. 1812. That might clean up a bit better than this. Yeah, with a bit of brushing and some restoration oil on. 1 penny token. Look at that big thing. Well, just past 500 subscribers, which is brilliant. Thank you very much everybody for tuning in. Oop. That was still on. Right, so yeah, we'll try and clean that up, see what it comes up like. But that's a nice find. Well, this is nice. I think with those 2 holes, that's a child's whirligig. You know, strings through there and you pull it. I think that's what it is. Look at that, it's a cracker. Might not be, might be for something else, but that's my guess. That's interesting, some kind of clip. Is it too big for hair, do you think? And too straight? 1904. And if we have a look, it's that beautiful image of Edward. Look at that for an image. A little bit worn, but very nice. And now Edward's mother, Victoria. Again, quite nice condition. Must be the soil, don't know. 1875. Yeah, nice. That's, you know, is that lead? It's like a spoon though, isn't it? But it is quite, you know, it's quite easy to bend. I think that's why that thing's there, to stop it bending. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what that is. This was my hope when the Queen Victoria and the Edward came up in reasonable condition, that if there's any Georgia and copper on here, you might have something left on them. So that's quite nice. 1806. They're normally a lot worse than that, aren't they? George III, half B, 1806. Nice. That's a big buckle. isn't it? That made a loud noise. And you can see the middle bit where the bar would have come across. Bent out of shape. I think this was going to be a bottle top. But if you look, I can see a face there. I mean, that looks iron on the back. I don't think that's going to be very old if you look at the design. But interesting face. Let's have a little look. I mean, it's modern, but look at that. Cracking little find. I think this is going to be a George II farthing. So could be a nice one. They don't normally come up that nice. So I'll dry it out at home and then we'll have a look at it. Nice. Right, well, some interesting finds up in a couple of afternoon digs. It's a nice George. Queen Victoria. Sorry, that's Edward, isn't it? There's George. 3 family members. I don't know what that is. Right, but it's got a thread, so it ain't that old. Buttons. Bag seal. Don't think it's an old Russian one, a bit more modern. Spoon. A clip. Spoon ends, I think. I think that's a whirligig, you know, that you pull. Zzz. I don't know what that is. Bit of something, a couple of little holes through. Horse rings, you can see the file marks on that one, quite flat. Doesn't look like it's been used a lot because it's kind of rough around the edges. Yeah, 30p. Bit of an end or something. I don't know what that little thing is. I don't think it's a bullet. I think it's just snapped off something. Large buckle, thin. What else have we? Bit of a... I think that's a bit of medieval pot. Could be a bit more modern, I don't know, but yeah. Right. Slightly more interesting finds. We've had a couple of quite nice Georgian belt buckles. Little flower design there. Yeah, quite nice. That's nice. That is very nice. Beautiful patina. That's lasted very well in the ground. I mean, look at that beautiful design. This 1 penny token. I'll get the details off this, exactly what it is. You can see it's 1812. I'll look that up. I think I've had one of these before, can't quite read the writing around it. But there's 2 hands there. This might be, is that slavery? I don't know. And then, last but not least, quite a nice condition George II farthing. You can see the second there and looking left, and I think that's 1724, is it? But that's quite nice. So all in all, quite an interesting hunt. Thumbs up from me. Oh, I forgot. A couple of spindle whorls. Yeah, they're a good sign. Yeah, that could be some medieval stuff about, but we might have to wait for the grass to be shorter. Happy hunting, everybody! I shouldn't forget my little musket ball. Oh, no, hang on. It's not a musket ball, is it? Ooh. Is that a lead bead? I've not seen that before. Ooh, good job I checked it. That is interesting. I'll find out about that. Lead bead. Cracking. Maybe it is a musket ball and they put a thingy through it for some reason. But I'll check that out. Good stuff. Is there anything else I've forgotten? No. Bye for now, everyone.